We deliver thousands of backyard storage sheds every year. Our customers often ask us, what's the best way to prepare the site for my shed delivery? Our sheds are durable and very long lasting. We highly recommend you have a level gravel site for the foundation for your shed. While using concrete block as a foundation for your shed is a good alternative, the best approach is to have a level gravel pad for your foundation. Here are some advantages to using a gravel pad for your shed. Number one, a gravel pad provides excellent water drainage while providing airflow under the building to make sure there is no standing water under your shed, keeping everything dry. Number two, a gravel pad provides structural integrity by supporting the runners under the shed the entire length of the building. Number three, a gravel pad provides an even foundation, making sure that settling will occur evenly all across the building so that your doors and windows work perfectly for the years to come. And number four, a gravel pad reduces the space under a building as opposed to concrete blocks. This way, animals or kids are not getting under your building. Regardless of the slope of your yard or shed site, we have options available for you to provide a great foundation for your shed.